SMO Open 2025, Question 17. Let a, b, and c be real numbers such that a+b+c equals 0 and a²+b²+c² equals 12. What is the maximum value of a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 plus c to the power of 4? From a+b+c equals 0, we square both sides to get a²+b² + c² plus 2 times ab plus bc plus ca equals 0. Since the sum of squares is 12, we have 12 plus 2 times a b plus bc plus ca equals 0. So ab plus bc plus ca equals -6. Now square ab plus bc plus ca. That gives a b² plus bc² plus ca² plus 2 times the cross terms. Which cancel out due to the sum being 0. So a b² plus bc² plus cr² equals 36. Next, square a² plus b² plus c², which gives 144. That expands to a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 plus c to the power of 4 plus 2 times a²b² plus b²c² plus c²². Since the sum of products is 36, we get a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 plus c to the power of 4 equals 144 minus 72, which is 72. So the maximum value is 72. One example that works is a equals √2, b equals √2, and c equals -2 times √2. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more math problem-solving videos.